2024 general elections in mind, the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party has decided to launch a special campaign to increase the 160 seats it lost in the 2019 Lok Sabha election. As part of the strategy, the Saffron Party plans to organize over 45 rallies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in these constituencies. JP Nadda, BJP National President, is working towards devising strategy based on the feedback received from these seats. The BJP has entrusted its three National Secretary Generals, Sunil Bansal, Vinod Tawade and Tarun Chugh, with the preparation for these rallies. These seats at Lok Sabha are divided into various clusters. The sources said that the Prime Minister's public meetings would be organized in the form of programs for laying foundation stones or launching projects for central or BJP-controlled state governments. After completing the first phase of the party's campaign for these 160 seats, the party will launch the second phase of the campaign, which will also determine the programs of Prime Minister Modi and other key leaders for the remaining 383 seats.